Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the human nose. You know, it's the sensory organ that's right in the middle of your face and you use it to smell. But have you ever stopped to think about how amazing your nose really is? We often take our sense of smell for granted, but it's a powerful tool that plays a vital role in our lives. From detecting danger signals like smoke, to allowing us to savor the delicious aromas of our favorite foods, our noses are constantly at work, processing information from the world around us. So, get ready to be amazed as we explore some incredible facts about the human nose. Let's get started. Did you know that your nose is capable of distinguishing between over 1 trillion different scents? That's right, 1 trillion. To put that into perspective, that's more than the number of stars in our galaxy. The human nose can detect a wider range of smells than any other sense. Think about that for a second. We can see a limited spectrum of light, hear a limited range of sound frequencies. But when it comes to smell, our noses are incredibly sophisticated. This remarkable ability is all thanks to the olfactory receptors located in the upper part of your nasal cavity. These receptors are like tiny sensors, each tuned to detect specific odor molecules. When you breathe in, these molecules bind to the receptors, sending signals to your brain, which then interprets them as different smells. It's a complex and fascinating process. Imagine walking through a field of flowers. Your nose is bombarded with a symphony of scents, each flower releasing its own unique blend of odor molecules. And your nose, with its trillions of receptors, is able to pick apart these scents, allowing you to appreciate the subtle differences between a rose, a lily, or a daisy. It's a testament to the power of evolution that our noses have developed such an incredible ability. It allows us to navigate our world, find food, avoid danger, and even form social bonds. So, the next time you take a deep breath, remember that you're experiencing the world through one of the most amazing sensory organs on the planet. You know how sometimes when you have a stuffy nose, food just doesn't taste as good? There's a reason for that, you know. It's because your sense of taste is intimately connected to your sense of smell. They're like best buddies working together to help you fully experience the flavor of your food. Think about it. When you eat something, odor molecules from the food travel up into your nasal cavity. There they meet up with those amazing olfactory receptors we talked about earlier. These receptors send signals to your brain, which combines them with the signals from your taste buds, creating the complex sensation we know as flavor. So, while your taste buds can detect basic tastes like sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, it's your sense of smell that provides the nuance and complexity of flavor. For example, you might be able to tell that a piece of fruit is sweet, but it's your nose that lets you know whether it's a strawberry, a raspberry, or a blueberry. And here's something else to chew on. Have you ever noticed that certain smells can trigger vivid memories? Like the smell of freshly baked cookies transporting you back to your grandmother's kitchen. That's because the part of your brain that processes smells is closely linked to the areas responsible for memory and emotion. It's no wonder that our sense of smell plays such a powerful role in our lives. Chapter 3. Nose prints. As unique as you are, we all know about fingerprints, right? Those unique swirls and ridges on our fingertips that have been used to identify individuals for over a century. But did you know that your nose has its own unique print too? It's true. Just like fingerprints, every person has a one-of-a-kind nose print. Now, we're not talking about taking a big old schnoz-shaped ink blot here. A nose print refers to the unique shape, size, and structure of your nose. It's determined by the underlying cartilage and bone, and just like snowflakes, no two noses are exactly alike. Think about it. Noses come in all shapes and sizes. Some are long and thin, others are short and wide. Some have a prominent bridge, others are more rounded. And let's not forget about the nostrils. They can be round, oval, or even slightly flared. While nose prints haven't quite replaced fingerprints in the world of forensics, they do have some interesting potential applications. Researchers are exploring the use of nose prints for biometric identification, particularly in situations where fingerprints might be difficult to obtain. So, the next time you look in the mirror, take a good look at your nose. You're looking at a feature that's as unique to you as your fingerprints. Chapter 4. Your personal air conditioner. Your nose, my friends, is a marvel of engineering. It's not just for smelling and tasting, it's also responsible for conditioning the air you breathe, ensuring that it's warm, humidified and filtered before it reaches your delicate lungs. Think of your nose as your own personal air conditioner. When you inhale cold, dry air, the blood vessels in your nasal passages dilate, increasing blood flow and warming the air. At the same time, glands lining your nasal cavity secrete mucus, which helps to humidify the air, preventing your airways from drying out. But that's not all. Remember those tiny hairs inside your nose? They're called cilia, and they play a crucial role in filtering out dust, pollen, and other particles that you don't want ending up in your lungs. The cilia are constantly in motion, sweeping the mucus and trapped particles towards the back of your throat, where they can be swallowed or coughed out. This intricate system of warming, humidifying, and filtering the air you breathe is essential for maintaining the health of your respiratory system. It ensures that the air reaching your lungs is clean, moist, and at the right temperature, allowing for optimal gas exchange. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember that your nose is doing so much more than just smelling the roses. It's working tirelessly to keep you healthy and breathing easy. Let's talk about snot, shall we? It's not the most glamorous topic, I know, but it's an important one. You see, your nose produces about a cup of mucus every day. That's right, a whole cup. It might sound gross, but this mucus is actually vital for maintaining your health. Mucus is a slippery, slightly sticky substance that's produced by glands lining your nasal cavity. It's made up mostly of water, along with proteins, salts and enzymes. And while it might not be the most appealing substance, it plays a crucial role in protecting your body from harmful invaders. Remember those cilia we talked about earlier? The tiny hairs that line your nasal passages? Well, mucus acts like flypaper, trapping dust, pollen, bacteria, viruses, and other irritants before they can make their way down into your lungs. The cilia then work tirelessly to sweep this mucus, along with all the trapped particles, towards the back of your throat, where it can be swallowed or coughed out. It's a continuous cleaning process that goes on without you even realizing it. So the next time you feel the urge to blow your nose, remember that you're witnessing your body's incredible defense system in action. That mucus might not be pretty, but it's doing a vital job in keeping you healthy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this exploration into the fascinating world of the human nose. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the trillions of scents our noses can detect to the vital role mucus plays in keeping us healthy. It's incredible to think that something we often take for granted is actually a complex and powerful sensory organ that plays such a vital role in our lives. So the next time you take a deep breath, savor a delicious meal, or even blow your nose, take a moment to appreciate the amazing capabilities of your nose. If you enjoyed learning about the human nose, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts. See you next time.